In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in less than 10 minutes. And it's only $12 too. Hey ladies, just take a good look at my hair. It's tired and it needs some serious transformation. So I decided to hop on the low ponytail with extension bandwagon. First, I'm going to wet the perimeter of my hair. I wanted a middle part, so I already parted. Here you can see that my hair is already damp. Next, I'm going to grab some gorilla snot. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, like this. Then, I'm going to slick my hair, like this. Just little by little, you know, working the gorilla snot in. Gorilla snot is quite thick, so by adding a little bit of water, it makes it workable. So now I'm going to take out a brush and comb my hair. Oh, and ignore these short pieces of hair. I'll, slick them down later. So now that it's looking so good and slicked down, I am going to tie it and make it into a bun. Not a tight round bun, but a little bit loose, if that makes sense. So now it's time to do my edges. I'm just pulling down the short pieces of hair and making a curve with the gorilla snot gel without adding any water this time. I know it doesn't look too perfect, but at the end it's going to look really good, I promise. Now it's time to wrap. The hair I'm going to use today is from my local beauty supply store. It's this pretty wavy synthetic hair in the color 1B. And it's supposed to be 18 inches, but it's super long. Like, I'm 5'9" and it's this long, trust me. Like, wow. First, I'm going to fluff this hair. Because it's synthetic and it's too sleek at the moment, I gotta brush it first so it fluffs up and looks more realistic. Virgin hair like. This weft came already folded. So with the folded end, I'm going to start wrapping from the middle of my bun. And when I say middle, I mean like not from the roots of my bun, not the end, but the middle. With a bobby pin, I'm going to secure the ends first. And then I'm carefully going to wrap around the middle of my bun, then wrap my way up. If you're using synthetic hair like me, please be careful and finger detangle a little bit as you go, or you will make a huge ball of mess. And I don't think you want that, because yeah. And so now I'm going to take a piece of this extension hair and tightly wrap around the elastic band. Oh, and also covering any tracks. And voila, this is how it looks.